Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the best Chinese shopping app for luxury goods. If you are the type that believe so much in buying luxury and expensive items, but with original quality luxury brand, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you get genuine luxury brand direct from the manufacturer of either Gucci, Prada, Adidas, Nike, just name it. They are all in China. If you want to connect direct with the manufacturer and get a luxury product, consider to make sure you stay tuned to this video. So let's get started. The very first thing we want to do here is to make sure we need to have our WeChat account, because some of these app here, you cannot see them anyhow. So they were on WeChat. So I'm going to show you the hidden secret to unveil them in your WeChat app. After you have successfully installed and have your WeChat account, go ahead and run the setup. Now, after open up your WeChat account, for you to have access to brand more, next thing you want to do is to go ahead. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then proceed to pay and services. Then scroll down right here. Proceed to brand more. So click on brand more. Now you are here in brand more section. You can see Givenchy, you can see Ottoman, you can see Givenchy also. So here you can scroll down right here and then see detail about different brand right here. So you can see Prada right here. These are luxury branded products direct from China. So you can see different brand right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different brand. You can see Hugo Boss. So if you want to buy from any of the brand store right here, what thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on their product link. Click on here to open Hugo Boss. Click on here. Hugo Boss store is loading. Now you are in Hugo Boss store. So different brand here have their different store right here that you can just walk in. Then here you can scroll down and check on the product detail. You can see this is a complete set, and this go for 1,700 RMB. This trouser here go for 2,700 RMB. Okay, so you can swipe and see more different products by different brand right here. This jacket also go for 4,000 plus RMB. So if you want to get any of the products from their store, click on the product link. Okay, you can scroll down right here and see detail. Now you can use this particular icon here to contact the Hugo Boss customer support, so you can see the product in picture right here. So if you want to place order for this type of, so let's take a look at different pictures of the product right here. So you swipe this way, and then you see the jacket, see the complete, the back, upper. There you can see Hugo Boss logo right here. Okay, so right here you can choose detail about what you need from these options right here. So once you select the quantity you need and everything, then go ahead and click on here to proceed to purchase. Here you can only make payment with either your WeChat or your Alipay. Okay, so go back to the main you go back to the home page, Google store, so you can see, so you can search for different type of products in the store right here. So you can see their main store right here. They have shoes, they have clothes, they have bags. So scroll down and check on the detail about Hugo Boss store. So if you don't want to get product from Hugo Boss store, so just go ahead and click on back. and choose another luxury brand from the home page right here. So this is Burberry. So click on it, click on here to proceed. So this is another luxury brand right here. Click on here to proceed. Now you are in their store right here. As you can see Burberry. So this jacket here costs 12,250 yuan. So you can get either black color or another color right here. So these are available products in Burberry store right here. So take a look at this one right here. This jacket costs about 14,800 RMB. These are direct quality luxury brand from China manufacturers here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up. Let's say, for instance, if you are interested in this particular one right here, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on the product picture, and it will load up to the sales page right here, so you can see the product price. So scroll down right here and read detail about the product, just like what you see right here. So you can see the product picture, swipe and also take a look at it, swipe and see the front and the back. Then you have everything about the product picture right here, and the price remain 14,800 yuan. If you want to place your order, click on here to proceed and make your order direct from this particular luxury brand manufacturer in China. It's that simple. So basically, this is the best way to source for luxury brand of any product of your choice direct from China using your WeChat app. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.